Well, good morning everybody. It's a cloudy day here on the homestead. As you can see, the clouds up there in the sky. I got a project I gotta do today. I have the micro irrigation as you've seen in other videos, and there's one of them, and the irrigation decides that it's going to, some of the patches I put on tend to separate. I'll show you what I mean by that when I get out there. So we have to get zip ties, a zip tie tool, and when I'm out in the garden I'll show you what I mean. And I always like to bring a pair lineman's pliers. They have both teeth for grabbing and then cutters. The zip tie tool sometimes can't get everything as tight as I want it, so you use your lineman's pliers to snug everything down. So we're going to go out and do that. Now I have a new gadget with me. I get it out of my pocket here, come on. As you know, we have a 4K GoPro type camera. It's made by Crazy Fire, but I have the headband for it. So we're going to give that a whirl, see how it works. It connects up to your phone to Wi-Fi so you can see what's going on and get everything going. Now I got to make an adjustment on my camera. As when we go outside, it'll get real bright. Just gotta hit the door here, get it closed. All right, let's get out to the garden and see what we can do here. All right, so I'll show you the dogs as we go out. Here's a little update. We planted some willow trees, pussy willow trees as they're called here in Buffalo. And you can see the right in here, the little fuzzy things. Those are what you carry around with you the day after Easter. It's here in Western New York. It's called Dingus Day. You can Google that thing. And it's a ethnic holiday that women go around chasing the men, I guess, and hit them with those things. I don't know. I'm married now. I don't have to do that. So, all right, let's get everything positioned here. And yeah, our garden took a hit this year, real bad. It didn't do well. We tried to put some what we thought was straw down, ended up being hay, and all this grass just came in and choked everything off. We managed to keep some of the stuff at bay, but it just isn't doing it. I gotta get out here again with the Mantis tiller and get going on it again. So, all right, let's get you situated here. All right, folks. So this is what I do when I have a bad connection. I use this piece right here to connect it to, and what I need to do is double up on cable ties on here, okay, to keep it from blowing. What I want to do is separate all the time. So you got the gun, and what it does is you put the cable tie on and get it over the area you want, and then you kind of pull it, and then it snips the thing off. Now I like to do 2 ties on here because I've had these separate regardless. So now this is the one I'm going to take my pliers and cinch it down kind of snug, and then just use this to cut it, because it does a really nice job cutting it. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing over here. You can see all the weeds in the way. It just got out of hand this year, plus the soil got really dilapidated and down on everything. So that's cam going here too. All right, everyone, I'm back. Found another connection I got to take care of, and I have to see you got to get those barbs in as far as you can, and now I can get a couple of these on there. And then I'll get my tools out here. Got the cable tie pliers do a good job, but they don't, if you squeeze too hard, they cut the thing right away. Okay. So I don't mind it cutting that fast, but if you really want to wrench or get this snug, good pair of pliers, tugging on that really good. On one of them barbs, never comes off. So I think this is the last one in my garden. So I'm not sure. I had to make a few repairs. So who knows, you know? For repairing the hose in the garden. So now when I turn my sprinkler system on, I shouldn't have massive flooding. You know, shouldn't have that massive flooding anymore. Today's a big day up here for everybody in the nation. It's August 21st. It's the first full eclipse in 99 years, I guess. So if you're going to view that or have viewed it, if I'm late getting this up, please take the proper safety precautions. If you don't, you could lose your eyesight, and that's no joke, people. Okay, you will go blind from having a burned retina from the sun, the intense rays coming off the eclipse. Okay, so please be careful. Use proper eye protection. Make your little viewing box if you need. There's multiple ways to do that, and enjoy it. You know, it's a natural phenomenon that doesn't happen that often. Okay, so again, watch it, enjoy it, and remember it. They say it's supposed to come through a full eclipse. It's supposed to be coming through Buffalo in 2024, I believe. I'm not sure, but I'll end this video here. I think I've bored you guys to death with hose repair and cable tie usage. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please hit subscribe. And then if you really like the channel, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to get all notifications. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.